Welcome to a new video on Biodecode and Fitness, the channel where we decode how your body works so you can train smarter, not harder. Many people train regularly and try to eat well, yet still feel tired, struggle with fat loss, or see slow fitness progress. The reason is not lack of motivation, but biology. In this video, we'll break down biohacking in a simple and practical way, focusing on how light, sleep, food timing, movement, breathing, and recovery affect your hormones, energy, and performance. You'll learn why getting daylight early in the morning improves your body clock, how eating protein before carbs stabilizes blood sugar, why listening to your nervous system prevents burnout, how short walks after meals support fat loss, why correct breathing boosts endurance, and why sleep is the most powerful supplement you already have. Instead of extreme diets or complicated routines, this video focuses on small, science-backed changes that are easy to follow and sustainable. By the end, you'll understand that your body isn't broken. It just needs the right signals. Stay with us, and let's start decoding your body with Biodecode and Fitness.